Hello everyone, this is Aditya Patro and I'm from Team Osiris. We are working on this problem statement of AI powered WhatsApp flow automation. When we read the problem statement and went through the Meta's um, WhatsApp flow documentation, we really understood what they were talking about. There is a real technical barrier to entry for people who want to deploy these services, and we want to make this really easy and intuitive for the people, for any small business owner. So let's just go through it. So these are the problems that we identified initially. One is that it's a time-consuming flow creation and it is very manual. You have to make a flow JSON and then hit certain endpoints to go through it. So yeah, there is lack of AI automation that can easily be solved now. There is limited personalization because it lacks contextual memory, and there is inefficient analytics. There are certain parameters that are given by Meta itself, but again, it's not the right metric to judge, because the metric or KPI can differ from business to business. So it depends on what type of flow they have created to get the right metric. Next is complex onboarding, because again, there is a technical barrier and there is steep learning curve. How we are trying to solve it is through the following features. One is conversational UI. There is a AI powered flow generation. Then there is a playground where you can drag and drop blocks to edit your flow. So the drag and drop flow editor. A dynamic analytics dashboard to track custom KPIs and to A/B test your flows as well. Then we have a real time preview of on the playground. There is API integration, so it's a one-click deployment thing. Next, let's go to the user journey. Yes, this is very interesting. Okay, so the user first. So we have tried to make this analogous to a user, like giving the requirements to a development team. So when a development team or a consulting firm, whoever is working on this WhatsApp flow, talks to the user, they have a framework in mind. They first talk about the requirements. What exactly do they want? With the flow, a draft of how the conversation should look like, and then they just give out a they manage the entire flow there. So what we are trying to do here is first talk to the user, that is the AI conversation, on what the requirement is. Then once we have talked to the user, we get a plan, and on the basis of the plan, we make a graph on the playground to understand how the flow works. So and nodes involved which are connected in a sequential manner, and then along with it, we have a preview panel, which is the real time interactive output thing. On the basis of the flow, you can interact with the preview to check how it looks like for the users as well. So this is what we have, the playground environment. Left panel has the chat window, the center panel has the drag and drop flow builder, and then we have a WhatsApp preview. Let's go. Oh wait, I have left optimization analytics. That is very interesting. So after you have finalized your flow, we have a one-click deployment, and once you have deployed, we want to track custom KPIs depending on the business or the type, depending on the flow. So if I'm a salesperson, if the flow is